recording. So we are at the airport right now, Grays Creek Airport. Not a real, it's a little private airport. I'm waiting on my buddy Pat to fly in and pick me up. We're gonna fly and pick up. Had a friend that redid the head for my horse and 3/4 Hercules. So just for fun, we're gonna fly over there and pick it up. I'll see if I can catch the plane coming in for a landing, and I'll try to get some shots while we're flying, anything cool that we see. Otherwise, that's it for right now. You can see it, but here comes my ride. I missed the landing, but here comes my ride. Alrighty, I'm gonna go get in the plane. Thank you. Alright, so picked up the head for the horse and 3/4. So I'm gonna get in the little airplane over here and head back to Fayetteville. So we'll see you back in the shop. Alright, so we're back again. I guess you call this part 2. For the working on the horse and 3/4 economy here. This is, well, obviously I told you in the last video we're gonna tear this completely down and repaint it. But I got my head back. My buddy Nick over in Charlotte, he redid the head for me. As you've seen in the earlier part of the video, my buddy Pat and I flew in this plane over there to pick it up. That was kind of cool. So valve springs, I bought those are new. The valve guides, or the valve towers, however people want to call them, those are brand new. Those have been machined to fit the valve stems, and they've been pressed into the head itself. So the valves are brand new. As you can see, my buddy pinned them over and already been seated and ground in. I don't know. Let me see if I can pop the intake valve. I don't think I can get close enough to where you can actually see where they've been seated, but they're in there. They look good. He also made a new pin for the rocker arm. It goes here, and then the rocker arm goes in here. I just hit this with the wire wheel here to get some of the old paint off, because the old paint made it look nasty on there. So what I'm going to do here this afternoon, or well right now, is I'm going to put this all back together and see if we can get the engine to run. I want to see if it will run. Just yep, there's Maggie the cat hanging out too. Just to see if there's anything else wrong with it is all. We've got a new head gasket, it's sitting there. We got a new fuel tank. Obviously the head's redone. I have new rings for it too, but if I don't need the rings, then I don't want to mess with them. You know, if these rings are good and has good compression, then we'll stick with what we have. So I'm going to turn you guys off, and I'm going to go ahead and throw this thing back together, and then the next time we'll be out in the cold trying to give it a crank if everything does good. So we'll see you then. Okay, so it looks like sun came out, stopped raining, tried to come out before, so head's back on it. It's all back together the way it is. It does have some compression, so this is going to be the first start. Gas tank does have a leak. I can see it dripping from here, unfortunately, but let's give it a shot. Alright, we're back. It's the next week. You know, we tried to start this last weekend and we got it running, and then I kind of cut the video off because I couldn't keep it going. Well, I don't know. I mean, I don't know if you see it. I'll show you here in a minute, but fuel's leaking out of the gas tank as fast as you can put it in. Well, not that bad, but I've got it running, and I think I know what the problem is. I think the spark plug was bad. I think just because, even though I could see spark coming off of the magneto, from what I understand, some of the spark plugs, if it's bad, sometimes it won't fire under compression. So I don't know if that's it. Maybe the gap was too high under compression to spark, but I gapped the plug at 35 thousandths, and well, a new plug, and it seems to be working. So if she'll fire right back up, then we should be good. We'll get you some better views. Well, of course, I talk shit and it doesn't want to go. There we go. Keep going. There we go. All right. So she's running. Tripod here, but it's running really good. I just got an exhaust pipe because I don't have a muffler for this one, but it's actually sitting here kind of running. It's really running really good. So, kind of, I call it a success, but still, I'm going to, still want to tear it down and repaint it and everything, but I'm happy. Thanks, Nick, for redoing the head for me, so, running good.